There's a Cat in the Pack by Shannon Kelley Pattee. A Kelley Kids collection with a touch of ginger. Give, love, laugh, and learn. Featuring Sprout in the Pattee Pack. Rescue, foster, adopt, support, care. I looked out the front door, and to my surprise was a spunky ball of fur with stripes and green eyes. He was on the front porch. He was rocking in my chair. But how could I deny that adorable kitty there? Beside me 4 dogs with a baffling stare. There's a cat in the yard, and it has orange hair. We may as well give him a big lick or 2. We might let him stay. We'll decide if he'll do. The cat quickly turned. He looked at the pack. He was in their house now. He couldn't turn back. He started to purr. He won their hearts over, but he sure didn't look like a Spot or a Rover. The cat was small and friendly, no doubt, so they all agreed his name shall be Sprout. We will teach him to fetch. He doesn't know how. Although he can't bark, we will accept his meow. A new family member, we won't count him out. There's a cat in the pack, our new brother Sprout. The end.